it's Elisa here with the Group VBS team. We're in our sticky scripture room, and how easy is this? It's so fun. We started with our blue sky plastic and our green grass meadow. We added some trailhead signs out of the poster pack, and we wrapped some boxes with the plastic table covering. And wow, you've got forest signs. How about this poster pack? Ava the Jeep, so fun. And sticker scripture, trailhead, how fun is this? Super easy, again, just boxes and crew sign bases. Flowers, you just can't have enough flowers. The True North tissue paper flowers, easy to do. More artificial trees, and that's just a simple email. People bring them to you. They're happy to loan them out. And how about this? Oh, gorgeous verse posters. There's one for every day. This, I believe, is day 5. So much fun. Then, more trail signs. These are again in your poster pack. And how about this log bucket? Paper, paints, so easy. We used it as a seat and a couple of times even as a desk. So have fun with your sticky scripture room. See you soon.
I can't help but feel a little down.